Hey guys, missing out on how to go viral? Today we reveal the secret AI tool powering viral TikToks with millions of views, no fluff, just raw examples. Let's dive in.
It's called Vortex, and yes, our viral team used it in secret to rack up millions of views. Now it's public. Want to go viral like us? Let's show you how. We split tested hundreds of viral niches and picked the hottest 30 you can blow up with, just using simple Vortex templates. Watch this.
Let's start with the Bigfoot viral vlogs. These exploded using the Google VO3 model, and Vortex has it ready for you with the Bigfoot vlog template. Just plug and go.
Animal Olympics? Yep, we did that too. This trend blew TikTok out of the park. Viral animals diving pulled in millions of views for us, and you can do it too.
Want to turn yourself into an epic action figure? Yep, you can do this too with just one click using the Vortex app.
Next up, rolling safari. What if every wild animal suddenly inflated like a balloon but still tried to act normal? This trend is exploding again, and it's funnier than ever.
Singing and doing viral dance trends? No worries, Vortex got you covered. Just pick a template and you're the star.
How about a viral baby podcast? These are blowing up right now, and Vortex makes it crazy easy to jump in.
And those ASMR videos are going insanely viral. Transparent berries cut like cake with soft sounds, smooth cuts, amazing. How about AI viral cats? We got you covered. These little guys are taking over feeds everywhere, and with Vortex, you can make your own in seconds.
Want to go to the dark side? Empty pools, backrooms, liminal spaces, and pure horror? You can make it happen with Vortex.
Let's raise the stakes. Try an epic Jurassic Park chase or a wild shark chase surfing. All viral templates ready in Vortex with one click.
You can even be a star of your own Hollywood movie.
Target ahead.
Let's end this. Let's go.
You are going down.
That was epic. But it's not just for fun videos. With Vortex, you can create next-gen professional viral ads for your products too. It's all in one app.
Surf the trend with these high-converting, jaw-dropping pro ads that will definitely make everyone stop scrolling and click. Using Vortex, you can create virtual influencers who showcase any product you want and drive real sales. Want to try on different clothes and turn into a fashion icon in seconds? Vortex AI makes it happen. Instantly.
Want to redecorate your house or redesign your yard? Vortex got you covered too, with instant AI makeovers that look amazing. Want to have fun with summer vibes? Try Bikinifi, your viral-ready AI template that instantly transforms any outfit into a beach-perfect bikini look.
Want to make a POV vlog where you wake up in ancient Rome? We got you covered.
Want to bring back memories? You can colorize and animate your old photos in just one click with Vortex.
You blinked and now the whole planet is capybaras. This isn't a video, it's a capybara invasion. Prank your friends with this cute template. Our AI can predict your future job or family. Prank your friends and go viral in one click. You can do viral street interviews as well. Oh, hey there. Can you rate me on a scale from 1 to 10?
Sorry, man, I don't date humans. If you're a content creator, Vortex lets you make thumbnails that make you click, or drop music covers that look straight out of a record label.
And the best part, everything's included in one simple subscription, so no more paying for a bunch of separate AI tools. Everything you need is right here.
Want to go wild with your own prompts? No worries, we got the best industry models, styles, and camera controls all in one place for you.
Give it a try, it's free to join, and you even get free daily credits. Join Vortex and prepare to be amazed.
Yep, this whole video was made with Vortex AI.
Now it's your turn to go viral. Bye, guys.